Welcome to Research Talks. In this video, we will see how to enable screen distance in iOS 17. This feature introducing by Apple just only iOS 17 version. If you already downloaded this version, so how to enable and how to disable, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply open here setting application. Look at this is a setting application. Before doing this one, you need to update your iOS 17. I already updated here. So here the screen time is available. You just simply click here and look at this here. Option come here, screen distance. Currently the screen distance is disabled. If you on this one, so you can reduce and risk mapping for your children's screen distance alert on hold iPhone. If I am activate this one, so and then after I am looking something related on my iPhone and very near to my eyes, so such kind of message is automatically active here if you are enable these features, and that one is a really helpful for us to secure your eye. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.